Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to delete data from database in Django. Okay, so including images and the rest of the data we are going to delete in this video. Okay, so here in the previous video we had made the edit option, so we were able to edit. I'll just change this to 9999 and update. So here it is edited and we have got the success message. Now we are going to add the delete button over here and delete the products. So this is the edit code, and first let us add the URL. Say path delete product / str of pk. Okay, so I'm going to send the id over here, views dot delete product. This is the function name and the name for this URL. So I'm saying delete prod. Okay, I'll keep it delete. So copy this function name and create a function in your views.py file. So say function and a request with the pk. So it's not necessary you send the primary key, the pk as a argument here. You can say anything, id or whatever you need, but make sure whatever you have given here you just give the same name over here. Okay, so now we are just going to create the variable first, prod or the instance prod equals to items item. Okay, this is the model which we created, item dot objects dot filter where id equals to the pk which we have passed over the primary key. Okay, so once it's filtered we are just going to delete that, prod dot delete, and it's deleted. So we are going to set the messages dot success, say request, and here product deleted successfully. Okay, so after deleting we have to return and redirect to the home page. Redirect. Okay, so now let us test this code. So before testing we need to add it in the index.html. Here it is, copy and paste. Here let's say delete product. Okay, this delete product button danger, and here I'm going to say delete. So just refresh the page and now we'll delete this shoe, right? Okay, so delete. You can see, hey, product deleted successfully. Go to the database and check, refresh. You can see the id number 2 has been deleted. Now let us check if the image is deleted from the folder or not. So once the product is deleted we don't require that image. So inside our uploads folder you can see the casual shirt is here, and this is the footwear which we deleted, right? So we don't require this. So let us delete this also along with the data. So before deleting that you can just add this code over here, or I'll just type it here. So first we'll check if the length function of prod.image is greater than 0. Okay, so if there is a image, just os.remove prod.image.path. okay, so this will remove the image if it is existing. So now you can see there are 3 images, right? So now we'll delete the mobile and we'll check if the mobile image is deleting or not. Go and refresh the page. So you can see this is the mobile. So I'm going to delete this. So this says this has no attribute image. Okay, so let's check with that. Okay, items.objects.filter. Let's try with get. Okay, and reload the page. then delete this. Okay, so this works. So product deleted successfully. Now let us check with the image if it is there. So you can see the image has been reduced to 2. It was 3. So this is the casual shoes which we deleted at the this is the shirt, and this is the footwear which we deleted at the first, ID number 2. So the mobile which we deleted right now has been deleted, the image has been deleted, and the record from the database will be deleted. So refresh and check. So you can see there is only one product over here, that is this shirt. So thank you for watching this video, guys. In this video we have seen how to delete the data and the images in Django from database. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.